Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? How are you? I'm happy. What is today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Wednesday. How do you go on vacation? By car? By bus? By plane? By train? I go by car. Say hello in the comments. Today we will listen to a story. Pup, Panda, and Friends Pack for Vacation. Written and illustrated by Susan Grutzmacher. Hello, my name is Kat. What's your name? Hi, Kat. My name is Mouse. Hi, Mouse. Meet my friends. Hi, friends. Hi, Mouse. My name is Panda. Who is this? Hi, Panda. This is a family. Hi, Mouse. I am Pup. Where does the family go? Hi, Pup. The family goes to the sea. Hi, Mouse. I am Ladybug. When does the family go on vacation? Hi, Ladybug. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Ladybug, the family goes on vacation in July. Hello, Mouse. I am Goat. Where does the family sleep? Hi, Goat. The family sleeps in a hotel. Hi, Mouse. I'm Kangaroo. What's the weather on vacation? Hi, Kangaroo. It's sunny on vacation. Hello, Mouse. My name is Hippo. How does the family go? Hi, Hippo. The family goes by car. Look, a suitcase. What does the family pack? Hey, Mouse. I'm Bat. What does the family pack? Hi, Bat. The family packs pajamas. Hi, Mouse. My name is Fish. What does the family pack? Hi, Fish. The family packs a t-shirt. Hi, Mouse. I'm Jellyfish. What does the family pack? Hi, Jellyfish. The family packs shorts. Hello, Mouse. My name is Ladybug. What does the family pack? Hi, Ladybug. The family packs sandals. Hey, what do you pack for vacation? Pajamas, a t-shirt, shorts, sandals. I pack Thanks for listening to the story. What do you pack for vacation? Send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.